potion. One day, Irina and Humbahu were walking through the forest. Suddenly, they heard someone screaming. They looked around but could not find anyone. Hello, please help me. I disappeared, said someone. Who is that? Asked Eleanor. I am under this tree. I lost my magic potion which I used to repair. Can you please find it for me? Asked the voice. Eleanor and Humbahum started to search around, but they could not find it. That's when Eleanor saw something shiny near a bush. It was a tiny bottle. Eleanor picked it up. It had some kind of liquid in it. She put it under the tree. Suddenly, the bottle rose up in the air and the liquid disappeared. A tiny monster stood before them, smiling. Thank you for finding my potion, said the tiny monster. Thank you, sir. Good night.